Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. There are reports that Mamelodi Sundowns and Bafana Bafana midfielder Teboho Mokoena has attracted interest from Saudi Pro League sides Al Tawoun and Al Ittifaq, with the players' performances at the FIFA World Cup for Bafana Bafana not having gone unnoticed. So it remains to be seen if Mamelodi Sundowns would allow the 29-year-old to leave the club to move overseas. Maybe his dream of playing in Europe might be created through this path of playing in the Saudi Pro League. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this interest? Do you think that Teboho Mokoena should go or not? Because there are people on social media who are saying that this would be a downgrade, given that at Mamelodi Sundowns he competes for big trophies and he recently played at the FIFA Club World Cup and they recently won the CAF Champions League, saying that at these two teams you won't be playing for any trophies. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think Teboho Mokoena should do? Should he accept these offers or should he stay at Mamelodi Sundowns? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Sekhukhune United ended the 2025-26 Betway Premiership in 5th position and are now reshaping with Cedric Kaze, who signed a one-year deal with an option to extend for 2 more seasons. After helping Kaizer Chiefs to finish 3rd in the Betway Premiership alongside co-coach Khalil Ben Yusuf, who has just signed with Durban City FC. And Sekhukhune have continued with their off-season changes, with 10 players now departing the squad ahead of the new campaign. With the retirement of club captain Linda Mtambo announced, 9 other players have been released. And here are the players that have been released: Rivaldo Kutie, Bradley Grobler, Lebohang Phiri, Lisibanku, Thabang Monare, Sikhosonke Langa, Sean Mogaila, Ronaldo Marman, Spiwe Mahlangu, and Linda Mtambo, who just retired. Now, the new head coach Cedric Kaze is scheduled to arrive later this week and looks set to work with the new look squad, with more players expected to leave, while there's been interest brewing for some of their top performers. The club has already secured the services of Bethuel Moseu, Athenkosi Nxaba, Thabang Mahlangu as their new signings, while Chibukwi Oyizu has returned from his loan spell at Siwelele FC. Let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Sekhukhune United parting ways with 10 players and rebuilding once again? Do you think it's a good move? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section.